Here's one way of doing that. Say I want to take 3 breaks throughout the day. I will use the break count variable to keep count of the number of breaks I have taken, and then add a while loop to make sure that this code runs 3 times. By the way, if you want to see some information on how while loops work, there is a helpful link in the instructor notes. Now if I run this program, the program will wait for 10 seconds and play this song and do that 3 times. Another handy addition to our program can be a print statement that tells us when our program began. Now how do I find the current time? When I have to do some testing like this, I start to use this output window. So I can import time here, which as you may guess is a way to access time. And I know there is a function called cTime or current time. That seems like the current time on my computer. Great. Back to the main program where I'll add this. Let me save and run this program. Now as soon as I run the program, I get a prompt suggesting when I started the program. 10 seconds after that, a video is played which asks me to take a break. So far so good. Another 10 seconds pass by and another suggestion to take a break. Now if I want to stop this program midway, I can either restart idle or use Ctrl+C in the shell window, which will stop the execution of the program when it comes back from sleep.